when I leave Russia. I really love the sound of the church bells. I think it's coming from up there. Oh, I'm leaving soon. I'm gonna miss these sounds so much.